So in this section, we talked about balanced and unbalanced trees. In a balanced tree, the difference between the height of the left and right subtrees of every node should be less than or equal to 1. Binary search tree operations run in logarithmic time if the tree is balanced. As a tree becomes more unbalanced, these operations slow down, and in the worst case scenario, where a tree looks like a linked list, these operations run in linear time. Self-balancing trees come to solve this problem. They automatically balance themselves as we add or remove nodes. We have many self-balancing trees, such as AVL trees, red-black trees, and so on. In AVL trees, we have 4 types of rotations: left, right, left-right, and right-left. And that brings us to the end of this section. In the next section, we're going to talk about another type of tree-based structure called a heap. So I will see you next.